Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you the project and activities of social science. First, I will tell you the activities and project of social science. Then I will explain what the activity of the moral science. So, first of all, um, as the PDF you have got, in that PDF it is given that history project. The project is from history and the chapter is India after independence. Now, when we have done this chapter, India after independence, I have explained you that how you have to take the points from it only, and then you can do it. Now, that what you have to do in that, I am going to write each and every step for you, that how you are, first of all, that is most important, you will do it only in activity notebook. No folder or file will be accepted. Only in activity notebook you have to do it. Okay. Now, up to the place where you have done the work in activity notebook, after that you will start the work of this. So first you will write project term 2. That heading you will place, and then you will write topic. The topic you will write, whatever the topic is given, and the topics, 3 topics are given to you. So before that, you will write the main topic. That main topic is India after independence. Okay. After that, you will write the subtitle. Right? Subtitle. Now, what is this subtitle? That 3 topics are given in that to you. These are as developing nation, growing economy, or technological development. Out of these 3, you have to select any one. Suppose you are selecting as developing nation, so what you are going to write here as developing India as developing nation. Understood? You will write it just as that India as developing nation. And then after that, from the next page, you will start up the work. The first topic that will come, introduction. The first topic will come. The next page, introduction. Now, introduction to which thing? Introduction is to the topic. That how India has, in 1 or 2 sentences you can write it, not so long. It must be just very small paragraph. And then whatever you are willing to write in that, in the field of development, develop as a developing country, whatever the work has been done, whatever the actions has been taken by the government, you will take with the help of the book only. No need to go anywhere. Only in the book, in the chapter, the things are being given, and some chapters, 2 or 3 chapters are there regarding that. So you can take from that, and in same chapter also you can take, and then complete that introduction. After the introduction, that first topic is introduction, Then developing nation 5-year planning they have made, right? And whatever the challenges were there, means all the three topics when you are going to cover from the same chapter, I am telling you that almost same topics will come in all the three. The three subtitles are there. In that, maximum answer you will cover from that. All the three are almost similar. ओके सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट कि इसमें तो हमने ये लिख दिया और दूसरे वाले में क्या लिखेंगे, ग्रोइंग इकोनॉमी में क्या लिखेंगे, किस तरह से ग्रोइंग इकोनॉमी. हाँ, आप न्यूज़पेपर्स और नेट से भी इसके बारे में, ग्रोइंग इकोनॉमी के बारे में कुछ थोड़ा सा एक दो पैराग्राफ ले सकते हो. ठीक है, बहुत बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट प्रोजेक्ट मस्ट नॉट बी more than 5 pages. Must not be more than 5 pages. Must not be more than 5 pages. When this is finished, this your work is finished, right? Then after that, the geography activity is told to you. Already I have sent you the PDF of that table. Once again I will share it with you. That table you have to copy as it is. Or you can do one more thing, that you can take out the printout of that. It will be easy for you. Now after taking out the printout, just as I have told you to color the different columns, you will color with the pencil color and then paste it in the notebook, activity notebook. Have you got it? क्या करना है, या तो आप कॉपी कर सकते हो उसको, और या फिर आप उसको प्रिंट आउट निकलवा सकते हो. और प्रिंट आउट निकलवा करके जैसे उसमें कलर्स दिए गए हैं कलरफुल, आपकी हेल्प से ही मैंने उसमें डिफरेंट कलर्स को फिल किया था, तो वो कलर्स आप उसमें पेंसिल कलर से या ओनली पेंसिल कलर, यूज पेंसिल कलर्स होंगे, पेंसिल कलर से उसको कलर कर दीजिए. और कलर करने के बाद में उसको आप प्रॉपरली पेस्ट करिए अपनी एक्टिविटी नोटबुक में. दैट वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड. नाउ योर एक्टिविटी, your project work is completed of social science. That point is clear. अभी एक और मैंने आपको एक्टिविटी बताई हुई है, और वो एक्टिविटी है आपकी जो खादी का क्लॉथ आपको कहीं से लेना है एक, और वो खादी क्लॉथ को पेस्ट करना है. उस पर किस तरह से पेस्ट करेंगे वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. वैसे तो आप ये काम बहुत छोटी क्लासेस में कर चुके हो. दैट इज अनदर एक्टिविटी फॉर यू, सो दैट it is not compulsory, but if you will do, it will look beautiful and it will encourage to me that I have done the work. आपने क्लॉथ का पीस लिया, उसको पेस्ट कर दिया, and then put the arrow mark and write here khadi. Only that is the activity. You can do it easily. It is easy or difficult? खादी का क्लॉथ लिया, उसको कट करके छोटा पीस ले लिया, उसका किसी भी शेप का ले सकते हो, बना सकते हो. आपने बहुत ही आर्टिस्टिक लड़कियां हैं, मैंने देखा है, लड़के हैं, आप उसको स्माइली बना सकते हो. ठीक है, स्माइली की शेप में बना सकते हो. आप उसको लीफ की शेप में बना सकते हो. कट कर लो और पेस्ट करो और एरो मार्क लगाओ और लिख दो खादी. So that is your social science activity and project. So that is all, and now I will tell you about the moral science project.